everybody. I am the Redneck Cruiser, and I am sitting in the Buffalo in Florida. Lakeland, Florida is actually where I'm at tonight. Coming down here, I was like looking at all the palm trees and stuff like that, and it just reminded me that vacation needs to happen like really fast. So I figured I'd come on here and update you guys, tell you guys what we got going on. Super Truckers Cruise is slated for February of 2019. I believe it's the 17th is the day we sail out on New Orleans on the Carnival Dream, going to Grand Cayman or Jamaica, Grand Cayman, and Cozumel and stuff like that. Some things I want to talk about on this video pertaining to that. What I like to do is get a hotel the night before. We live about 5.5 hours away from New Orleans, so we don't like spend too much time in Louisiana. So we'll leave out on Saturday and then drive up or drive down on Saturday. So we'll get there in the afternoon sometime. I don't like to spend too much money and stuff in New Orleans, but I do like to have a nice hotel. So what we were thinking, and you let me know if you're thinking the same thing. What we were thinking about is two places. We were thinking about the Marriott in Metairie, Louisiana, or the Country Inn and Suites in Metairie, Louisiana. And I'll tell you the pros and cons. The pros to the Metairie or the Marriott in Metairie is that it's very nice rooms. It is older, but it's not too bad. So I guess that's a little bit of a con, but not too bad. I'm not that picky. They've got very nice rooms with views and stuff like that. Their suites are awesome. So last year we got upgraded to a suite because our room wasn't ready yet. So they got us on for a suite, which was nice. They upgraded us, and that was sweet. Really sweet. It was sweet. But and it was really nice. The hotel's restaurant was really good. It was really good. A little pricey, but really good. Served good beer, good everything there. Good environment and stuff like that. The cons to that is that, first of all, the breakfast is very good, but the breakfast does cost. Where most other hotels in this world, it's, they serve you free breakfast in the morning. It's a complimentary thing. But they don't do that there, which is not a big deal to me. But it is, it's nice to have something, free in the morning when you wake up. It's nice, a nice complimentary thing. But we did purchase breakfast, and it was very good. Stuff like that. The other cons is the parking is pretty expensive. A lot of things is pretty expensive at the Marriott. You get what you pay for, though. So that's that. Just down the road from there is the Country Inn and Suites. The pros to that is that they don't have a restaurant. That's a con. But they do have a courtyard area. Country Inn and Suites courtyard. They have where they have a pool and everything, and the rooms kind of wrap around the courtyard area. You could have tables and stuff like that. It's really a nice place. We stayed there in 2015. And the only thing about that is that 2015 year is we went with a cruise group through a travel agency called SS Cruises, and SS Cruisers is not allowed to go back in there. But we are not a travel agency, and we're not going through SS Cruises, so we can go there. The reason why they can't go back there is because they were rowdy and they left the place trashed. I'm talking about the courtyard area. So if we do something like that, just common sense, really, and not trash up the place, but just act respectful and stuff like that, which some people didn't do that year. Me and my wife, we turned it in early. We got pizza, and for dinner, and it was good. It is a little cheaper. The breakfast there was really good, and stuff like that. So they're just right down the road from each other. I like the Metairie area because downtown can be pretty costly, obviously, and a lot of people there. You know what I'm saying? Now, it is what it is. It's like a 5 or 10 minute drive to the port from Metairie. So if you're like down with Metairie, just let me know, and we'll see if we could get kind of maybe a group rate or something like that. I'll call here. And if y'all have any suggestions on any other hotels out there, just let us know, or let me know, or whatever. I thought it'd be really cool if we could see a view of the river. I thought that would be really cool. So we're open to try something new, what I'm trying to say. Last year we didn't do t-shirts. So if any of you guys out there want to do t-shirts, let me know. And I'm not one to design t-shirts at all. And quite honestly, I just don't want that. I've got too much on my plate. So if you guys want to do t-shirts or whatever, just let me know, and I will tell people how to get them. And I'll buy some, obviously, for myself. Me and my wife are going. My sister-in-law's coming, and my daughter is going. My sister-in-law and my daughter, they have a cove balcony, and I've always wanted to check out a cove balcony. We've always stayed on 7 there in the suites, but so I'm anxious to go down there and check it out and get some footage. You know what I'm saying? So I'm really interested in that. I'm going to do videos about the snorkeling mask. Just FYI, the snorkeling in Grand Cayman is awesome. Out of the 3 ports we're stopping at, Grand Cayman is the best when it comes to snorkeling. So if you're interested in that, Grand Cayman is the best spot for that. So just FYI, as you're looking at excursions and stuff like that. I'm trying to think what else we got here. As far as camera stuff goes, me personally, I'm interested in getting the GoPro 7. I've got 2 Hero 5 sessions, which are really good cameras, really easy and stuff like that. And I've got the Canon T6i, which you won't really see me that much around the cruise ship with the Canon, but you will see it. It's just so easy to have the GoPro on a stick. It's easy to carry around. You can hit people with it. It's great. But I may get that GoPro 7. I hear it like eliminates the need for a gimbal, and the microphone is better. So I may be purchasing one of them. But outside of that, I'm not going to really upgrade as far as camera stuff goes, or as far as individual cameras. Now, like microphones or things to hold the cameras and stuff like that, I will probably be buying stuff like that. So as far as YouTube goes, I'm hoping to better that experience for the viewers. Now, a lot of you guys may know or may not know about us. We're a group of truckers going, but if you're interested in going on this cruise, it's in February. It's a bit late. It's not too late to book, but you got to get it paid off by December. If you can get it paid off by December, come on with us. Mike Holden, you know what? I've got some videos on my other channel that I have that I'm moving videos over. I don't know if y'all have noticed that, but I'm moving videos over to here. And but Mike Holden is one of my friends that went on the last cruise, and I'll be uploading some videos with him on it. He is a character, let me tell you. But he told me about 3 or 4 weeks ago, he sent me a message saying that if he sells his house, he's going to be able to possibly go on this cruise, which is be really cool. So I got some videos I'm wanting to upload to this channel here that that hopefully y'all get to meet up with Mike there. So if you're interested, have any questions about this cruise, because I know that a lot of you found this video because of the date on the title. If you're interested in meeting up or things of that nature, I'm not one to meet up on the cruise itself, because it's just kind of like, you know, me and my wife time or whatever. But if you bump into me, I'm really easy to find. I'm like 6'5", and if you're wanting to hang out or I mean whatever, drink a beer or whatever, I'm open to that. But anyways, with that said, if y'all have any questions about this cruise, if you have any requests of topics that you want me to talk about as far as cruises goes, just leave a comment here, and I do have some stuff that I want to do videos on. Again, like the snorkeling mask. No, I didn't mention that. I have a snorkeling mask that I'm wanting to show you guys, something to think about going into Grand Cayman for the snorkeling. You can do it anywhere, but Grand Cayman's good. And it's a mask. It fits over your head. And you've probably seen them. A lot of you experienced cruisers probably seen them. It fits over your whole face like this, and it has a little tube coming out, and it's really comfortable, really easy to breathe. And last year was my first year with it, and it was such a great thing. It was like $40. It wasn't bad. So anyways, again, if y'all have any more questions, give me a shout in the comments. Hope to see y'all real soon. I'll do more videos and whatnot. Subscribe if you're wanting to see more videos of me. I mean, you know, I'll put in my thoughts of stuff like that. I'm very opinionated, if you haven't already caught on to that. I'm very opinionated, but I love going on cruises. And so subscribe if you want to. And other than that, we'll see you in the next video, whenever that may be. I will still put up some old clips and some vintage cruise stuff, because I just love looking at it. I love doing it. I love entertaining people with cruises, you know, having my entertainment and my fun. Sharing that experience with other people is always really good. So anyways, y'all take care out there in 73.